Hi BeHappy friends! Now we have to put all this in one backpack, so we are ready to go to the plane. Alright? Inside of this there are 7 shirts, 2 pants and a swimwear. Okay. And here I have 2 business shirts and a pants, an underwear for 7 days, a sandals, and then glasses, medicine, a hat, health protocols, and we don't forget our charger. So, BeHappy has worked together with airlines and hotels domestically and internationally for 50 years. If you book with us, we'll ensure you're getting a good deal and you just enjoy awesome travel experience. Don't worry, with BeHappy, we will take care of you. Okay, I hope I'll see you in our next video. Bye!